What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a quick and detailed instructions on how to remove the Powered by Shopify message from your store, just watch this video and learn how to do it quick and easy. So just log into your Shopify account and navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the Shopify admin, click on Online Store and then Themes. Find the theme you're using and click Customize. In the theme editor, look for sections or footer option depending on your theme. Scroll through the footer settings until you find the text Powered by Shopify. To remove the text completely, simply delete it from the text box. If your theme allows, you can also edit the text to something custom that fits your brand. After making changes, click Save, and then Publish to apply the changes to your live store. And that's it! You've successfully removed the Powered by Shopify message from your store footer. Now your store has a clean, professional look that's all your own. Happy customizing! If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.